Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Jay and Ashley. Today we are here watching Gravity Falls Wolf and Sheep's Clithing. And please don't hear the bad words like shit, hell, fuck. Oh my, why did I just said that? So guys, please don't say those words. Okay, now let's start. See that Dipper and Bell cipher? Bell. Look, I like that part. It's where he looks like that with hay.
But a wolf in sheep's clothing is more than a warning. Black sheep, have you any soul? Wrong shirt, by the way, what the hell are more goals? Jack me nimble, Jack me quick. Jill's a little whore and her alibis are turning tricks.
That's a dirty trick. Tell me,
are you sleeping easy? How you're only thinking of yourself? Show me how you justify telling all your lies by second nature. Listen, what my worth one day. You will pay. Karma's gonna come collect your debt. Oh well, you stalk your prey with criminal mentality. You sink your teeth into the people you depend on, infecting everyone you climb the problem. Be thoughtful, some better run and hide. I smell the blood of a petty little coward. Jack be lethal, Jack be slick. Joe will leave you lonely, dying in a filthy ditch. So could you?
if I stop, that means that's a bad word.
Thinking of yourself. Show me how you took the vibe. Tell me all your lies are second nature. Listen, Lord, my worth one day.
You will pay.
Karma's gonna come collect your debt. Maybe you'll change. Abandon all your wicked ways. Make amends on your again. Maybe you'll see.
That's my favorite part, guys.
Who am I kidding? Now let's not
Now
get
wait,
over
guys.
ourselves.
I'm trying to
Always
turn off
been a
my
huge piece of
TV.
shit.
Oh no. I hear that. Nobody say that. Did you guys say that? Did you guys hear SHIT? That's not good. Guys, please don't say it. Okay, now let's go back.
I would. I'm frowned upon in all 50 states. Having said that,
There, that's the bad word too. That's a bad word too. You just need to burn in the fire or lava. I don't know what's going on.
tell me how you sleeping easy, how you're only thinking of yourself.
Okay. I love the clothes.
Telling all your lies like second nature. Listen, Lord, my worth one day. You will pay. Karma's gonna come collect your debt. Karma's gonna come collect your debt. Karma's gonna come collect your debt.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoy. Please leave a like. Oh, and I changed my my picture. It's now creepypasta. I'm so sorry, guys. And these are my two. Wait, why are still these my pictures? Has to be creepypasta. And I'm really sorry for that. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Please leave a like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy. And don't say the bad words. Bye.